So you always see big moves in the futures market, but you always stand by the side and watch these big moves play out without you. So in today's video, I will show you specific volume profile setups that you can capitalize from big moves. So I would say let's jump here straight into the charts. So let's do this. So guys, right here I'm already in the trade right here. So I was entering down here and now the market is up here. I will show you exactly how you can spot this big move down here all the way to up here using the volume profile chart. So guys, right here on TradingView, you can see that's exactly my setup every day. So on the left hand side, I have the 30-minute time frame, and on the right hand side, I have the 1-minute chart. What I'm always doing before I put on a trade, I scroll out and I'm putting on the value area high and value area low from the overnight session. This is key, guys. This is really key. You should put on the value area high and the value area low from the overnight session, right? So we have now here our levels, and you already can see when I scroll right here in, you already can see that we coming down right here to the value area low. We put in here this low, and then from this level on, the market only shoots to the upward side. Now you probably don't held this trade for so long, but you can clearly see the market just make higher highs, and then from this point on, the market just one time framing to the upward side until we hit the value area high right here. So this was the take profit anyways right here on the value area high, but you can see how accurate these levels are. So what you as well can see that we are breakthrough value area high, we stayed above, and then we retested 1 time, 2 time, 3 time right here, and this was my entry on the position that you see before. And from this point on, the market shoots again to the upward side. So I will now close out my position anyway, because I don't want to be in a position late at that night. So let's quickly just close this position out right here. So this was my entry point right here. The market stayed above value area high, we come down, we retest value area high, and from this point on we shoot to the upward side. So 2 massive long trades, one here and the retest on value area high right here. So and I want to show you here quickly another setup because we get another setup early in the session. So right here. So what you can see, the market opens right here. So this was the open, we push down, we come back up. So we are ranging for now on value area high and value area low. So this is the value area low, value area high. And what you can see, the market comes here down, pushes aggressively to the upside, tries to stay above value area high, but immediately failed, right? You can see this right here. We push above, we don't held above, and then we just crashing back to the downward side. And this was a very clean setup, because when you always see these moves that the market want to break out of value but quickly decides to come here back to the downward side, you can look out for the retest of the value area high to push this to the downward side. And what we get right here is a corrective move right here to the value area high. And this you can took for a short right here. So short position right here, stop above this high, and you can target now what the point of control from the regular trading hours, or you can trade the range. What is the range right here? So the value area high and the value area low. So you can target the value area low when you want. But in my specific trading style, I'm always looking for the point of control. So this is my first take profit, and then I let winners run right here. Let's say to the value area low right here, or the value area low from the current session. When you target this value area low right here, and we let this play now out quickly, that you can see where the market is going. You can clearly see the market tumbles at the point of control around, and that's what I say, that point of control is actually always my target. I never held trades for so long. I am future scalper, right? So my trades never go longer than, let's say, 5 minutes or 10 minutes, right? But when you have held this right here, you can see that the market comes down and takes out the value area low right here. So this was a 1 to 3 risk to reward right here. So very nice. But I was coming into the charts a little bit later, and what I was seeing was this right here. So my first trade plan was when the market decides to stay below value area low right here and just ranging around, then I'm looking for shorts, because when the market breaks out of value, we are looking from a balanced market to an imbalanced market. And when the market decides to push out from a value area and decides to stay there, then you can look out to push the market either lower or higher. So I was scrolling out right here, and what I was seeing is that on the left hand side on the overnight session, we have here a big node. Can see this. So we have here a big node, and as well we have here LVN as well. So this right here, in here, let's mark this out. In here, this is a low volume node, and this right here is a high volume node. These two levels are very strong. So the market should either decide to break these levels and then come here back to retest these levels, and then I can look for shorts. So my plan was just to look on the price action, how it behaves. And when I play this now a little bit further, you can see that the market not long stayed below this value area low right here. So you can see how the market draws back into value. So my decision is now, when the market comes here back, making a retest on the value area low, I'm looking definitely for long plays right here. Okay, letting this now play out a little bit more right here. So this is all I wanted, right? So this candle right here, this little 1 minute candle is my pullback to enter my position, because what you also can see right here is that the market comes down making lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows. And now what you can see is the market pushes up, breaking structure, come back to retest. At this point, there were so many things playing out. So when you have a trading plan, when you have a system and the system plays out, you should look for a trade and don't hesitate to jump in on a trade, right? So my first trade was here, stop below the low right here. And then what was my target? This was a great risk to reward, because my target was the point of control right here. So this was a 1 to 3 risk to reward right here. And when I play this now out, so actually go to the 5 minute, that is going a little bit quicker right here. Let's jump here on the 5 minute. So above here is my point of control, right? So let's play this out. And right here, we are hitting the point of control, right? So this was the big move that I was talking about. And where is this big move started? From a value area. So again, you would have had today 2 extremely good trades just by using the value areas. So guys, this right here was my whole trading day from today. When you want to see more volume profile trading or more volume profile education, please comment down below, subscribe to my channel to help me out, and I will put my effort in to make more videos like that. So I would say we see us in the next video. Bye.